Welcome. Today we will see how to get a Shopify API key. First, open your Shopify admin page and scroll down to click on the setting option. Next, click on Apps and Sales channel. Then click on Develop Apps. This is where you can start developing app for your store. To begin, click on Allow Custom App Development and keep clicking the button until you reach the page where you can create your app. Click on the Create App button. Enter your app name and then click on the Create App. There are different options available to help you configure your application. Click on API Credential to preview your API key and API security key. Once you have your own API key, continue with the installation process. Click on Storefront API Configuration. Select the necessary buttons to configure your API. And then click Save. Finally, click on the Install button to complete the installation of your API. Thank you.